हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एम एस सिविल लेक्चर्स। मैं खान मोहम्मद मोहतशिम। आज के इस लेक्चर में मैं आप लोगों को एमसीक्यू ऑन अकाउंट्स इन पीडब्ल्यूडी बताने वाला हूं, जो कि फोर्थ यूनिट है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स एंड अकाउंट का। इस वीडियो में हम लोग 30 एमसीक्यूज विद आंसर्स देखने वाले हैं। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए। मैं आपको आपके एग्ज़ाम से पहले हर यूनिट पर 30 एमसीक्यूज प्रोवाइड करने की कोशिश करूँगा। अगर आपने मेरे लास्ट लेक्चर्स एमसीक्यू ऑन कॉन्टेक्ट्स एंड अकाउंट यूनिट 1, एमसीक्यू ऑन कॉन्टेक्ट्स एंड अकाउंट यूनिट 2, एमसीक्यू ऑन कॉन्टेक्ट्स एंड अकाउंट यूनिट 3 नहीं देखा है तो पहले प्लीज़ उसे देखिए, तो आप लोग को कंटिन्यूटी मिलेगी। आपके स्क्रीन के ऊपर टॉप कॉर्नर पे आई का सिंबल दिख रहा होगा। जब आप उसे क्लिक करोगे तो आपको मेरे लास्ट लेक्चर मिल जाएंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं एमसीक्यू ऑन अकाउंट्स इन पीडब्ल्यूडी। Question number 1. All prescribed forms in which all accounts, bills and transactions are recorded should be specified in option A Financial Handbook Volume 6, option B Financial Handbook Volume 5, option C Financial Handbook Volume 4, option D Financial Handbook Volume 3. The right answer is Financial Handbook Volume 6. Question number 2. All the details of measurement of all works are prescribed in option A form number 21, option B form number 22, option C form number 23, option D form number 24. The right answer is form number 23. Question number 3. Form number 23 is option A labor book, option B measurement book, option C payment book, option D nominal muster roll. The right answer is measurement book. Question number 4. Form number 21 is option A labor book, option B measurement book, option C payment book, option D nominal muster roll. The right answer is nominal muster roll. Question number 5. Full form of NMR is option A nominal muster roll, option B normal muster roll, option C nominal measurement roll, option D none of these. The right answer is nominal muster roll. Question number 6. For attendance of labor, which form number is used? Option A form number 21, option B form number 22, option C form number 23, option D form number 24. The right answer is form number 21. Question number 7. Full form of MB is option A muster book, option B measurement book, option C measurement roll book, option D none of these. The right answer is measurement book. Question number 8. Form number 2 is option A indent, option B bills, option C impressed cash, option D cash book. The right answer is impressed cash. Question number 9. An advance amount of a fixed sum of money given to sub-assistant engineer so as to make day-to-day PT payments is called as option A impressed cash, option B advance cash, option C earn money deposit, option D none of these. The right answer is impressed cash. Question number 10. Form number 7 is option A indent, option B bills, option C impressed cash, option D cash book. The right answer is indent. Question number 11. Material from stock are issued on demand in proper form known as option A bills, option B indent, option C invoice, option D none of these. The right answer is indent. Question number 12. Indent form is prepared in dash copies. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The right answer is 4. Question number 13. The indent is filled by option A executive engineer, option B junior engineer, option C assistant engineer, option D any engineer. The right answer is assistant engineer. Question number 14. The acknowledgement of the receipts of goods is called as option A invoice, option B bills, option C indent, option D none of these. The right answer is invoice. Question number 15. White bills is generally used for option A first bill, option B running bill, option C final bill, option D none of these. The right answer is running bill. Question number 16. Yellow bill is generally used for option A first bill, option B running bill, option C final bill, option D none of these. The right answer is final bill. Question number 17. For a single payment, dash is used for making payment to the contractor both for works and supplies. Option A form number 25, option B form number 2, option C form number 1, option D form number 24. The right answer is form number 24. Question number 18. A legal receipt prepared for the purpose of proof against payment made is called as option A vouchers, option B cash book, option C DD, option D none of this. The right answer is vouchers. Question number 19. Form number 28 is option A hand receipt, option B bills, option C impressed cash, option D cash book. The right answer is hand receipt. Question number 20. The most important document in the form of account record of the division is called as option A hand receipt, option B bills, option C impressed cash, option D cash book. The right answer is cash book. Question number 21. Interim payment is done option A annually, option B monthly, option C weekly, option D none of this. The right answer is monthly. Question number 22. The payment made on a running account to a contractor for work done but not measured is called option A impressed cash, option B secured advance, option C advance payment, option D final payment. The right answer is advance payment. Question number 23. Secured advance payment is not allowed to exceed dash percent. Option A 50, option B 60, option C 70, option D 75. The right answer is 75. Question number 24. A single payment made for a small job or a small work on its completion is called as option A first and final payment, option B retention money, option C petty advance, option D none of these. The right answer is first and final payment. Question number 25. A small amount given in advance to the engineer in charge in case of emergency needs is called as option A first and final payment, option B retention money, option C petty advance, option D none of this. The right answer is petty advance. Question number 26. Mobilization advance payment used for option A emergency purpose, option B overhead purpose, option C accidental purpose, option D establishment purpose. The right answer is establishment purpose. Question number 27. Dash amount is held up till the finalization or adjustment of any claim is settled. Option A first and final payment, option B retention money, option C petty advance, option D none of this. The right answer is retention money. Question number 28. Form number 1 is option A labor book, option B measurement book, option C payment book, option D cash book. Cash. The right answer is cash book. Question number 29. Expenditure items are entered by option A blue ink, option B red ink, option C green ink, option D none of these. The right answer is blue ink. Question number 30. Dash is the easier and faster method of payment. Option A vouchers, option B e-payment, option C hand receipt, option D none of this. The right answer is e-payment. Thank you for watching this video. Please like my video and share my video. Thank you.